Let's look at your Ingles Earthly traffic.
Thanks, Action. Earthling Meemaw checks in. Hey, this is Meemaw. Uh-oh.
Wait.
What?
Huh?
H is dead.
What?
He was over helping Gus for the septic truck, and his feet slipped out of his Crocs. Action. He went headfirst into the sludge. He suffocated. Meemaw asked us not to call him to ask about it because he's dead.
Wait, what?
Thanks.
Don't call him and ask him.
P.S. Do you know where he hid the Oriental money? Meemaw.
He's scared the crap out of me, Craig. Good Lord.
Well,
okay.
Let's remember H with one of his favorites.
Oh, wow.
And people are really devastated about Earthling H.
Yeah, sorry to hear about H.
I mean, what a way to go out, though.
Head first and
sludge.
Sludge.
And suffocated. And now old Meemaw's out there trying to get his dog money.
Yeah, he's he's worried about that dog.
Earth FM. Hey.
Say, I got a question.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Is this H?
Am I dead or what's the deal?
Well, yeah, obviously not. Thank God.
Did you get what happened, man?
What's going on?
I heard them. They read it live on the radio.
I think you better watch what Meemaw is up to. She's looking for your dog.
Excuse me? No, I was over at Gus's helping him with the septic tank, and I did fall head first into the slurry, and he took a picture and sent it to Meemaw and said, he sent the emojis with the skull and crossbones and said, I died. And so she just figured I was dead.
Wow. How about that, Action?
Wow. Thank God it worked out.
She wasted no time trying to find out where the cash is.
They pulled
me out. They pulled me out and rinsed me off with a hose pipe, and I gotta tell you, I don't know if y'all have ever sneezed corn before.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Hey.
Well, that is real unfortunate. That is wow. Oh my God.
Can you play that double Dutch buzzsaw?
Sure.
Oh, hang up and listen. Bye.
Well,
okay. Okay.
All right. He's alive, Action.
Yeah, he's alive. And he's full of